I'm Victoria and I'm so happy you came across my website. Lifetime Story Photography was chosen with a reason. As we know, everyone has a story to tell, and I have my story also. When I was a baby, I never had the chance to get that stage captured, and I don't have any newborn images. I wanted to make sure that my son will have this stage in his life captured forever, and that I will be part of his life wherever this world will take him. I want to celebrate you, Mama. I want to document your pregnancy journey, to celebrate the motherhood, the birth of your child, the love what comes with giving birth, and keeping your child close to your heart. Let me bring you joy into your life, because we know joy and memories are all that matters. I invite you into my studio. Let me tell your story, and I can't wait to see you.